Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. For this project, I'm going to need a sheet of paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, some oil pastels, including the color black, and a wooden stylus or scratching tool. I begin by sketching an oval that is wider at the bottom than it is at the top to create the shape of my egg. Next, I will grab a pair of scissors and I will cut out that shape I sketched. Next, I'm going to use oil pastels to color that egg shape however I want. I chose the colors pink and light blue, and I'm going to color them in a kind of tie-dye swirl pattern like this. When you've used too much of your oil pastel, you can remove some of the paper to reveal more color and make it easier for you to continue coloring your design. Next, you're going to color over everything with a black oil pastel. Oops, sometimes things break in the art studio. The good news is now I have two, and I can share with a friend. It would have been a good idea for me to put newspaper down at the start, but I didn't think about it at the time. When you try this in your own style, you might learn from my mistake and start with newspaper under your egg shape. Then you can grab your wood stylus or scratching tool, and you can begin scratching a dragon scale or lizard scale pattern into the egg shape like this. All you have to do is create curved lines across the shape of the egg. Next, I'm going to draw a dragon eye so that I can make it look like it's peeking out of the hatched egg. I'm going to need a small piece of scrap paper, a Sharpie marker or other marker, and something to color with, like colored pencils. Oh, and I might need some scissors as well. Follow along while I draw the dragon eye and start to ask yourself, what color might your dragon eye be? What color might the scales around it be? With my dragon eye drawn and my dragon egg all colored and scratched, I'm ready to put the two together. I will create a small opening by lightly folding the paper of the egg in half and cutting a small line. Then I will fold it in half the other way and repeat, cutting another small line to make a plus or X shape on my paper. Then I will tear those apart a little bit and I will glue that over the dragon eye that I have drawn. You can see how it looks like the dragon eye is peeking out of the hatched egg. Lastly, I'll trim the edges of that extra piece of paper so that I can't see those on the front. And because I'm proud of my work, I'll sign my name on the back and date it too. I do hope you try this art challenge in your own style. Make a hatching dragon egg using an oil pastel scratch art technique. It's a lot of fun, and yours can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy.